Today we are taking you on a journey in the green heart of Istria, not far from Motovun and Groznjan, where a new beauty from our collection is located. It is a villa with an olive grove and a swimming pool, which represents a real piece of paradise on earth for all those who want a peaceful life in a quiet and enchanting natural environment. Built in 2017, the villa is located in an idyllic location with a fantastic view of the fairy tale Motovun and Mirna valley. The ground floor of the main house includes a living room, a kitchen with a dining room, a bathroom, a toilet, a laundry, and 2 bedrooms. The interior of the house is enriched with handmade solid wood furniture. On the first floor, there is a bedroom with a bathroom and a wardrobe. The living room opens up to a covered terrace that invites you to stay in the open air during warmer days and enjoy the view of the olive grove and relaxing shades of green of the surrounding nature. The ground floor house by the pool consists of a warm living room, dining room, a kitchen with a fireplace, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a terrace. The garden stretches over more than 2,400 square meters, and it is decorated with Mediterranean plants and 36 olive trees, 2 of which are 300 years old, while the others are about 40. The 63 square meter pool is suitable for swimming and also to relax in shallow water with massage jets. If you also have a property for sale, feel free to call us. You can find our contact at the link below. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!